Are you tired of struggling to transport your cupcakes without them getting ruined? Look no further. Introducing the AHKUNMT Cupcake Boxes, the perfect solution for all your cupcake transportation needs. With the AHKUNMT Cupcake Boxes, you can easily transport your delicious creations without any hassle. Each pack contains 24 cupcake boxes, with 12 sets, allowing you to transport a total of 288 cupcakes at a time. This is perfect for large gatherings or long-term use. The cupcake boxes are made from high-quality, food-grade safe plastic material, ensuring that your cupcakes are protected and secure during transportation. The material is sturdy and durable, so you don't have to worry about any bending or folding. Despite its durability, the cupcake boxes are surprisingly lightweight, weighing only 220 grams per 24-hole cake box. This means you can comfortably carry them without any strain. One of the standout features of the AHKUNMT Cupcake Boxes is the unique high round top cover. This design provides ample storage space, so you no longer have to worry about the cream or frosting sticking to the cover and ruining your cupcakes. Additionally, there is a certain width between each compartment, making it extremely convenient to use. The cupcake boxes also feature a separate cover and bottom bracket design, allowing for easy and convenient storage. You can stack multiple cupcake boxes without them becoming unstable or taking up too much space. Not only are these cupcake boxes perfect for personal use, but they are also widely used in bakeries, weddings, birthday parties, cafes, baby showers, holiday celebrations, and other parties. The transparent plastic design allows for easy visibility, so you can showcase your beautiful cupcakes. The AHKUNMT Cupcake Boxes are a standard size, measuring 17.75 by 12.5 by 3.5 inches, with a bottom compartment diameter of 1.97 inches. This size ensures that your cupcakes fit perfectly and can be easily placed and removed from the boxes. Say goodbye to the stress of transporting your cupcakes. Get your AHKUNMT Cupcake Boxes today and enjoy the convenience and peace of mind they provide. Click the link in the description to purchase yours now.